Hello, this is Andrea, my gorgeous model for today. We're still at the beach, so she just came back, she swam all day. What we're gonna do, we're gonna create some look because she's going to a party tonight, but I still don't want to use any dryer or anything. I want to make it look like very natural. So we're gonna do like middle part. Then I'm gonna split in four. I'm gonna do some kind of a bun on the top, like this. I secure it just with one bobby pin. Same thing on the other side. Again, you do like a bump the other side. Keep the piece out like this so you can run around it. I want to create something fun on top, you know. And I'm going to use a little bit vanishing oil on the end because her hair is very dry. So, because being on the beach all day. Just a few drops, all you need. Looking very cute already. And just I'm gonna finish with putting some flowers. Fresh flowers from my garden. Still wet. Smell good? Ooh. So fresh. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of more the finishing hairspray. Now will come like, travel size. Keep those flyaway here, I love it. It's nice. The more texture you have, the better it is. Et voilà, does she look pretty? Ready to party?